Hi everyone, so in this video I'll tell about AI Empower Her, what you need to do after registration, what are the prerequisite courses you must do before getting started with 8 weeks learning journey, what is the last date and what you will be learning in this 8 weeks. So make sure you're watching the video till end so you don't miss any important point. And before starting this video, if you haven't registered for AI Empower Her program, go and immediately register for it because the registration can close at any time. They haven't given any particular time. So make sure to register as soon as possible. So if you want the video, I'll just give the link in the description or you can get it from the I button here. So if you are new here, I'm Namrita and on this channel, I post the updates regarding tech, internship, job and free courses. So just go through my channel and watch all the videos and apply for those which you are eligible for, and as do subscribe and on the notification bell and also follow my social media handles for more. So if you're new here, I'm just letting you know that if you register for AI Empower Her, then you'll get this mail and you'll be able to access the further steps. So make sure to register first and then come here. So this mail is nothing but they are just thanking us for registering and they are telling to check out the further steps. So when we click on learn more, we'll be able to know like what are the prerequisites course we need to do and what we'll be learning in this 8 weeks, when we'll be doing the project and all, everything will be knowing when we click on learn more. So without further delay, let's get started. Just click on learn more, click on login with Google. So if you open the vlog, you'll get to know about these. So this will be an 8 week learning journey. So here they have categorized it. So 6 weeks you'll be having guided learning and 2 weeks you'll be dedicating to capstone project like building a project. So the learning journey is structured into 4 simple phases. That is phase 1 will be discover and foundational AI. In week 1 you'll be learning about basics of AI and you'll be understanding the concepts of AI, where it is used, and you'll be building comfort with key concepts in a beginner friendly manner. And in phase 2 you'll be applying what you have learned. Learners explore how to use AI tools effectively. You'll know how to use the AI tools, and this will be mainly focusing on like how to write a prompt, how to apply AI in everyday tasks like such as communication, documentation and productivity. So basically we'll be knowing everything like how we can apply AI. First you will be knowing what is AI. You'll be getting foundational knowledge or basics of AI, and then you'll be applying those knowledge like giving prompts, how to use AI in everyday tasks, you'll be knowing it. And in phase 3, evolve ethics and emerging tech. So learners will gain awareness of responsible AI use. So you'll know how to use AI responsibly. Topics include ethics, bias, data privacy, and an overview of emerging trends shaping the future of AI. So you'll be basically knowing how to properly use AI. Everything you'll be learning in phase 3. And in phase 4, AI problem solving and innovation. So learners move from users to problem solving by applying AI to real world business scenarios. So from learning, you'll just move to applying AI to real world problems. Like you'll apply AI to solve real world problems. And week 7 to 8, where you'll be building capstone project. So learners will work on practical project to apply what they have learned and present an AI enabled solution to real world problems. So basically in week 7 to 8, doing hands on, like you'll be working on project. So from what you have learned, you will be applying it practically and you will be solving real world problems. So next, what learners will take away. So by the end of the program, learners will be able to understand and use AI terminology and concepts. So you'll be able to apply AI tools for productivity and problem solving. You'll evaluate AI output critically and identify bias or inaccuracies. And you'll be able to use AI responsibly with an awareness of ethical risks. You'll be able to design and propose a real world AI use case. There will be a transition from being an AI user to an AI problem solver or builder. So these are the takeaways for the learners. So before this 8 week journey, there is a prerequisite course which you need to do. So like this will be just a short introductory course on AI ML basics. So everyone can start confidently, like they will have some basics before starting the 8 weeks journey. That's the reason they're giving the prerequisite course. So let's see how to access the course. And before telling you how to access, if you're finding this video helpful, please like, hype, and share with your friends. It might be useful for them. So yes, just click on here, and here is the course. You can just click on start. So here is that course. So here are the contents what you need to complete. You can just, and the duration of this course will be some 1 hour 36 minutes. So from here you can select one by one videos. So you must watch all these videos. It's not mandatory to do this course, but it's recommended because, so if you have a basic knowledge on artificial intelligence, so it will be easy for you to go through the 8 weeks learning journey, right? So that's the reason they gave this as a prerequisite. So make sure to like go through this course, and also you'll get the certificate, completion certificate also you'll get once you take the test, and you'll be getting completion certificate. So make sure to complete the course before the first week or second week of May. So the live session will be starting from first week or second week of the May. So make sure completing before it. So most probably try to complete it by first week of May. Yeah, that's all for today's video. If you have any doubts regarding this video or any other videos from my channel, you can just let me know in the comment box. I'll surely reply to everyone. And stay tuned for more videos. So see you next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye bye.